if I would have been married, had a family, things may have gone different. But God built me for this job. He rewarded me for 45, 50 years with the lifestyle that I am so thankful for. And it's unfortunate, the poor people in Granby, so many of them were so jealous of my lifestyle that I could come and go as I pleased. Well, God blessed me in advance for the task that I am about to undertake. It was sometime in 2001, I believe, that the peace, I wept at times trying to understand why this was happening to me. And to do what I had to do to make these people listen, to learn, was just above me. And when I realized that one day, when I was sitting in the hot tub, and I was weeping, a peace came over me that has only come over me a few times before in my life, where I knew that what I was doing was tough, but it was the right thing, and that it was above me. It wasn't me. I was doing this because God wanted me to do it. And I didn't understand it. I said, why did you ask me to do this? Is that why I've never been married, so I didn't have a family? Is that why I've always been successful, so that I would realize my reward before doing this task? Had I not carried my cross earlier, and now God had prepared me to carry this cross? I believe so. And I'm carrying the cross willingly now. At first, I fought it. But it has to be done. And the world will write stories about how wrong I am and everything. And without a doubt, I wished it could be done a different way. But there is no way to make this right.
Your words are dirt. Wipe you off the face of the earth. You put on your masquerade. Underneath you're sad and afraid. I can see it in you. Nothing that you can do. Lash out all you want to. It won't change a thing. Cry loud and see if I can never tell me can't feel nothing. I'm still on and never shine. So close-minded, you know nothing. I don't care what you have to say. You're ugly, so please go away. You're nothing. Your words are dirt. You probably wear a cemetery shirt. I can't